got your tank top.
I got my tank top on. Aloha, baby.
I've never heard a burp sound more like E.T.
E.T. No. Show me the money. If you build it, they will.
Field of Dreams.
Yeah, you got that one.
Can you tell me the name
Nice,
of the
nice,
movie?
nice. But I can still do that.
I feel like my burps are like pre-cum and yours are like the orgasm.
Like your burps are impotent and mine will get you fucking pregnant with twins.
Yeah. Good one.
But yeah. You talked over your burp. How about this? How about like a Macaulay Culkin burp?
I'll be back.
You nailed it, except that E.T.'s finger was like hitting your clitoris. You look like me jerking off. Your finger was going like Jillin Off. I mean,
Luke, I am your father.
perfect.
Whatever, isn't it? Oh my god, we are living our best lives. I'm
I
convinced.
know.
Look at we're just having a hoot.
Iceberg right at.
Oh, Titanic.
Okay, one last movie quote burp.
Shark.
Jaws?
You nailed it. Good. I miss Richard Dreyfuss.
Is he dead?
No, he's still alive. He's just not working anymore.
Do you think you'd ever fuck Bill Murray?
Probably.
I think I would too.